this is Carolina Thought Farmer. I'm excited today to show you guys an overview of our new Quick Links cart, a new and improved version of our popular Quick Links cart that we are launching as part of Thought Farmer version 10.6. Now, most of you will be familiar with our Quick Links cart. We can see it here up on the right-hand side of the page. It is actually one of our more popular carts, and as such, we get a lot of feedback from customers who really enjoy using it, but also oftentimes have feedback on how we could make it even better. So for example, we've heard from lots of customers that they would really enjoy having different ways to lay out this Quick Links cart, making it more visual and more intuitive for their staff to find the links that they need to get their job done. So our product team really listened to that feedback, and for version 10.6, we have overhauled some of the options that are available in this cart in Thought Farmer. More specifically, we have introduced in this version 3 new display options for the Quick Links cart. We have a list view, which is the one we just looked at. We have a tile view with name, so that is the one that we're seeing here in the center column on our homepage, and we also have a simple tile view. So if I scroll down here, this Common Tools Quick Links cart is an example of one where we are not using text but only tiles and images. You can see that I also have a list card here on my homepage, and it looks pretty similar to what you're used to with our Quick Links card. But as you can see, even our list view card now has the ability to add images, icons, emojis, etc. So let's take a look and see how we can configure and optimize this new card. I'm going to start with this working at PCU card here on the right hand side. So I'll go and edit my home page, and I'll go into the card layout of this page through setup cards. So right away we can see we have 3 Quick Links cards as part of this template, this one right here, and then 2 on the right hand side. I'm going to click the gear icon on this Quick Link card, and when you set up a new Quick Links card or you configure one, you can now see these 3 new display styles that we just went over. Like I said, the one that we're looking at here is a simple list, and if we wanted to add a new link, the workflow is very similar to what it always was. We click on Add Link. Perhaps we give it a name. Again, we can make that link be an external location, an internal one on the internet, or an email address. In this case, I'm just going to type in an external link. And then on the right hand side, you can now see the option to add an icon or an image. If you prefer a simple list, no images, not to worry. You can just uncheck this Add Icons checkbox here at the top. For now though, I might want to add a nice icon to go with my CRM. So notice that for the icon area, we have a number of icons that will be available to you that will already be in Thought Farmer. You can also choose from a list of emoji, and both of these icons and emoji collections are searchable. And then lastly, of course, if you have your own set of icons that are relating to your brand or a very custom image that you would like to use, such as the logos I used in the Common Tools card, you can upload that straight from your computer here. In this case, I'm just going to search for people for my CRM, and I will choose one of these icons. It's going to give me a preview here down below, and you'll notice as well that the icon will automatically grab the main color of your Thought Farmer theme here as well. In this case, it's this nice lilac purple. You can of course customize this, right? So if I click on the icon color, I can use the color picker, or I can even put in a very specific hex code for a color. For example, if you want to use one of your brand colors, you can put that right in there. I'll click on Add Link, and now we see the CRM link appearing here at the bottom. Again, we can drag and drop these links to change the order of the list if that is something we wanted to do as well. Click on Done, Done again, and save my page. And then if we go back to our home page, we'll see that this CRM link is now part of my list of Quick Links. Now, what about tiles? And what about tiles with text, right? So let's take a look at that, because there are a few more options available in that display option. So I'll go again, hop into my Quick Links card, the one in the center column this time. And this time the middle layout is selected. So why don't I just go into the training one that's already there and just show you how we have a few more image options in this scenario. Of course, we have the icon color, and again, the same image options are available here than the ones that we saw in the list quick links card. But now the name of the link will be shown here as well, and we'll also have a background tile. And of course, for all three components of that link tile, you can also customize the colors for each of those. So that's an extra option here. One thing that we've heard from customers as well is that some customers just have areas of quick links that are very large. And to show you an example of what that could look like, I'm just going to go to one of my accounting group pages here. Some people just have dozens of links that they need to share within a certain team or even on their homepage. And sometimes it makes it just easier if we could categorize those links into smaller groupings so that it becomes easier for staff to browse those quick links. And that's another thing we've made available here in ThoughtFarmer 10.6. So we can see here our quick links card. And we have set up two categories for the accounting quick links: calculators and finance news. And under each of those, we can now configure links, again, in that list view style that we're seeing here, but even the tile with text and the simple tile are available here as well. How do you set up categories? Super easy. We'll go in and edit our quick links card. And you can see here that my current links for this card have been already organized into finance news as a category and calculators, right? If I wanted to add a new category, I can just click on that here, and perhaps I will call this reference material. If I wanted to, I can of course place this category in another spot. And now I can start adding links specifically in that category. So if I make a link here, basic principles of accounting. In this case, I will set up a internal link, and I will choose a appropriate icon here as well. Before I save now, I can just open up this category dropdown, and I just select the one where I would like this link to appear. So I'll click reference material, add link, click done again. And now if I save my page, we'll see that there is a new category here with my new basic principles of accounting link in it. Much easier to navigate for users, much easier to organize as a page owner or a page editor. One last thing that we added to our quick links card, which was also something we had requested by customers often, is the ability to support multilingual quick links cards. So you may have staff in different areas globally that speak different languages and might even use ThoughtFarmer in French or Spanish or Russian. And what we've now made available is the ability to not only localize or translate your links, but also provide the option to have specific URLs or links that correspond to a language that you are using. So how to do that? If I wanted to make a multilingual version of this link here, I will just go in, edit my page. From the language dropdown, so we're now looking at the English version. From my language dropdown, I'm going to select the language I would translate this link into. So let's choose French for now. And then I'm going to click on Set Up Cards. My quick links card is still here. I can now edit it. And what I can do now for each of those links is just edit them one by one, provide the name in French. So I will just call this French link. I don't have to change anything else except the link, the actual domain name or the URL that I want to put in. This can be an internal one again, or it can be a French link. I'll update that link, and I'll just do this only for the first one here now. Click on Done. Accounting in French, just to be able to give my French version of this page a name. I'll click on Save, and now when I look at my page in English, I'll notice that this globe here allows me to translate the page into French. Once I do, you're now going to see that the link that I had available under reference material is now taking the French URL and the French link label. So that is something that you can really use if you have staff in other locations and make it really easy for them to find the information they need in their own language, in their own language resources. Those are all of the changes we've made to the Quick Links cart in version 10.6. We really hope you start using it in all its different display options, and we hope that you enjoy us and send us even more feedback if you have further ideas on how to make this more awesome. Thanks so much.